it was slightly unbelievable that only 3 or 4 guys could take over, the pedigree of class that's Sisko and Kira and Odo. It's like, they're all warriors, you know? I don't see them just laying down saying, "All right, well, I guess you won. We'll do what you say."
Mm.
I do like the mental chess that Cisco was playing with his old buddy, his old buddy inside of the Daxes, right?
Oh yeah.
And I like that interaction.
Before we get too much into that, because I feel like that was the real meat of this episode. Um, I did want to go back a little bit to when we were talking about Quark's squeals and wails and moans, and it did
Yeah,
remind me of one thing. It reminded me of season 7. Our friend Nog gets his leg shot off, and he makes a similar sound. He goes like, "Ah!" And when
yeah,
I heard Quark doing that, it made me go, "Good job, Aaron. You did your homework." You know what I mean? Like
yeah.
he obviously watched that or asked Armin or something, because there's no coincidence that it was derived from that. It was similar to that. So, and it's a testament to him, and it's a testament to the actors that always seem to do that. They do their homework ahead of time. The character actors that do these aliens, they learn how to speak Klingon. They learn how to act like a Ferengi. They watch previous Vulcans. Anyway, so big kudos to our brother, Mr. Aaron Eisenberg. Um,
Yeah.
so yeah, Cisco plays amateur psychologist, and you could see it brewing from the second he starts talking to the guy. He starts going like, "Ah, hey, old buddy. Hey, remember the bachelor party? Oh, rascal."
Yeah, this. You remember that? Yeah. Remember the first time we discovered the wormhole? And that was, I guess, the thing that
Yeah.
triggered that emotion, right? Which, it was good. I thought it was good because it was a play on friendships, right? It was a play on that. It was also, there was a subtle story going on as well, where you see the guy transforming.
Yeah.
Where he started to lie to his girlfriend, for example, who's helping him carry off this plot, and he starts lying to her, and he's changing in this kind of a way, and that's almost a be careful of what you wish for kind of you know allegory.
Yeah, and actually, I thought that was the best part of the writing of this episode, when that first little bit started to happen, where Cisco first started talking to him and saying, "Hey, remember this old buddy?" And we get it right away. We think there's the twist. There's what makes this episode different than all the other episodes of Star Trek and all the other different episodes of anything ever written in the history of mankind, because there's never been this kind of thing where the bad guy takes in the memories and the compassion and the feelings of the lives before him, which includes the good guy's best friend. And
Right.
so now suddenly you're dealing with a different person. That might be something that the guy wasn't fully ready for, but that our man Cisco was. And he was like, "Hey, once Dax goes in there, I'm talking to this enemy that has my best friend also inside of him. And I know I can work that psychology. And that, I thought that was really interesting. I was like, that's never been done before in that way. And it was really cool that they were able to explore that.
Absolutely. The idea of it is something that still, I don't even think has been re-explored in a similar way. Um, I can actually come up with certain ways that you can draw that into current times. For example, somebody receives a body part of another person, and by being the recipient of that body part, that person now is can have the memories and understanding of that person,
Mm.
and then you can have the reach out in that kind of form. So yeah, it could still be done, and I don't know if it's ever been done in that such a way.